What we have here is my wife's camera. It's a Samsung, I think the model number is NX1000. It's a nice camera, but unfortunately it's got a bit of a problem. This program Selector over here, it stopped working. It simply doesn't work. So it's something that happened gradually. It became more and more difficult to select a specific program, and now it's almost impossible. You have to rotate. So it's probably just some dirty contacts inside. So I have tried to see if I could spray some contact cleaner down in here, but unfortunately it looks like it's designed to, so water is not going to come in if you have some light rain or something like that. So you're going to have to take it apart, or at least I'll try it and see if I can do something about it. So it looks like the camera is held together with some small screws here, one over here. I have 4 here at the bottom. There's 2 over here, one under this flap here, and one up here. Maybe there's some inside the battery compartment here. No, doesn't look like it. Let's get the flash off as well. There we go. And find a small screwdriver. So let's find one that fits really well. Yeah, this would probably work. I'll just try. Now that one is even better. I think these 2 screws down here, they're only for the tripod mount here. I don't think we need those. Okay, see if we can figure out how it comes apart here. Looks like we got it here. I think I was wrong. We do need these screws as well. Yeah. Let's be really careful here. Okay. See, there's a cable down here. Okay. So far, so good. So it looks like we could probably take this whole board out. I'm not actually sure that's necessary. Remember, all I need to do is I just want some contact cleaner in here. So I think I'm just going to try to see if I can spray some contact cleaner in there. The contact cleaner I'm using is just going to be pure alcohol. I want one that doesn't leave any residue behind. So I'll just try it here. Let's give it an extra go here. Okay, I think we can try and test it. Let's try to put a battery in and see if it's working now. It's certainly a lot better. I think it might actually be working perfectly now. Yeah, it's looking good. So probably what has happened to this selector here is probably either gotten some moisture in there, and maybe just humidity can be enough to have a little bit of corrosion on the contact surfaces. So it looks like it really helped to get some contact cleaner in there and just move it around a lot. That will help clean the surfaces. Now I just need to put it back together again. That's it. Job done. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.